In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a product catalog on Facebook step by step. Whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or you simply want to organize your products to run better Facebook ads, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook Ads Manager. If you're not already signed in, log in using your Facebook email and password. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the menu icon in the top left corner and click on All Tools. From there, select Business Settings. This is where you can manage your pages, data sources, and everything related to your business. Next, in the Business Settings panel, find and click on Data Sources. A drop-down will appear. From here, select Catalogs. This section allows you to create and manage product catalogs for your Facebook shop or ads. Now, click on the Add button and choose Create a new catalog. Give your catalog a name that matches your brand or store, then click Next. Once that's done, you'll be asked to connect your catalog to a metapixel. This is an important step because the pixel tracks user behavior and helps optimize your ads for conversions. Select your existing pixel or create a new one if you don't have it yet and click Next. Now, assign permissions to team members or yourself so you can manage this catalog. Simply select the person's name, click Assign, and move on. After that, you'll see options for adding products to your catalog. Facebook gives you two main methods, either upload manually or connect a data feed. So if you're managing a small inventory, manual upload is perfect. Just click Add Manually, fill out your product details like name, price, description, and image, and save them. But if you have many products, choose Connect to a data feed. This allows automated syncing from a file, URL, or Google Sheets, keeping your catalog always up to date. To make the process smoother, make sure your product images are high quality, your descriptions are accurate, and your prices are consistent. Also, double-check your internet connection before uploading large data files. It'll save you time and prevent upload errors. Once your products are uploaded, review everything and click Finish Setup. Your product catalog is now live. You can link it to Facebook Shops, Instagram Shopping, or use it in dynamic ads to showcase your items directly to your target audience. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and manage your Facebook product catalog easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.